Hi, it's Penny Bowden here. Just working on shapes and angles and proportions and sizes and forgetting about the fine details. I'll put some fine details in later. A few. Right now we're just working on getting the anatomy down. And I'm going 3 times the speed here and voicing over. Just general anatomy. And I'm really allowing my intuition to guide me. Measuring with my eyes a little and just getting the feel for it. Change the shape of that tail because I think, it needs to be sort of sticking out straight at the base of it, because that's kind of what cats do when they're balancing, when they're climbing. But I also use my tails to kind of compose too, because tails don't have to be the same as what you see in the photo. So you can use them as a compositional tool. And I'm just kind of darkening up the lines that I like now and letting the extra lines kind of fade away into background tone. This isn't a face shape that I'm used to doing, so it was a little bit of a challenge, but I like a challenge. That's how I learn. Get some eye lines in there to help place where those eyes go. And yes, relying on the photo, but also giving the drawing what it needs. You don't want to become a slave to the photo, especially not in my style, because really, I aim for character and soul more than anything. Capture that personality and the antics of cats. That's what I love most. And I just want my cats to be what they become. Bring that kitty to life with some eyes. And we're sped up now to 4 times the speed. We'll finish this drawing up. I love to hear from you. So please drop me a comment. Tell me about yourself or your cat or where you live in the world or whatever you want to chat about. Tell me what you want to learn about cat drawing. And I'll do my best to get it on here. So with this pose, we can only see 2 legs and paws. The others are kind of hidden in behind. And I looked for hints of them around the cat, but didn't see anything, so I just left them out. You could kind of do a suggestion of them sort of sticking out the side or something, but I just felt it best to just leave them this time. We got a suggestion of markings in here. And now we're sped up to 8 times the speed and we'll get this drawing finished. Finishing touches, wiggle lines. Had to put claws in for this one, because otherwise how is that kitty clinging onto the tree? So thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you next time.